Okay, so let's see how this actually makes sense about this fraction as an exponent. So let's follow this logic. Following this logic, what is the value of 4 to the power of a half? So we know that 4 is the same as 4 to the power of 1. We also know that 1 is just half plus a half. And by the exponent laws, we know that when we add the exponents, it means that we're multiplying like bases. So 4 of a half plus a half, basically saying that 4 to the half times 4 to the half, and that's how we add it. We're working it backwards, right? Okay, so now we know what is the value for 4 to the half. Well, I know that these two numbers will be the same. So what two numbers equal to each other will give us 4? Obviously, it's going to be 2 times 2. So therefore we know that 4 to the half is equal to 2. So what could it be? Well, it could be 4 times half, it could be the square root, or it could be, I don't know, 4 to the half. 4 divided by 2. Okay, so let's try with 3. Sorry, not with 3, but with 9. 9 is equal to 9 to the power of 1. 1 is equal to half plus half, that's actually a half. And because of multiplying like bases, this means that it's 9.5 times 9 to the half. So what number times itself gives us 9? Well, that would be 3. 3 times 3. Therefore, 9 to the power of half is equal to 3. And so it was not 9 divided by 2, it's actually the square root. So we know that 9 to the power of a half is equal to the square root of 9. And therefore 4 to the power of a half is equal to the square root of 4. But what if we can make this thing with 3 numbers? So 27 is equal to 27 to the power of 1, and that'll be 1 is equal to a third plus a third plus a third. I skipped a step here, and I know that that'll be like bases. 27 to the power of a third times 27 to the power of a third times 27 to the power of a third. And I need a number that multiplies itself by itself 3 times, gives me 27. And that would be 3 times 3 times 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. And therefore, 27 to the power of a third is 9. And the way we get that is that 27 is the third root and we denote the third root by putting a 3 over here. And that's how we figure out what that 1 over 3, the 3 becomes the root. It's 1 over 2, well the 2 becomes the root because we know that there's a 2 there that we don't write. And 1 over 2, that 2 becomes the root.